In this video, you see about cutting speed, feed and depth of cut in a lathe machine. This is the different image of cutting speed, feed and depth of cut. Cutting speed. Cutting speed is the speed at which the material is removed by cutting tools from the workpiece. In case of lathe machine, cutting speed is the peripheral speed of the work past the cutting tools. It is expressed in meter per minute or per minute. This is the image of cutting speed. Cutting speed depends on the following factors. Number 1, tool materials. Number 2, work materials. Number 3, depth of cut. Number 4, tool geometry. Number 5, types of machine tools. Number 6, surface quality required. And this is the different cutting speed depend on the following factors. Cutting speed calculation. Cutting speed formula. Cutting speed is equal to pi dn by 1000 meter per minute. D means the diameter of the work in mm and n is the rpm of the work. For example, a steel shaft of 25 diameter is turned cutting speed of 50 meter per minute. Find the rpm of the shaft. And this is the answer of the rpm. Cutting speed is equal to pi dn by 1000 meter per minute, or d here 25. D means diameter. 25 is the diameter and 50 is the cutting speed, and total rpm is 637 rpm in calculation. Cutting feet. The feet of a lathe is the distance the cutting tools advance along the length of the work for the every revolution of the spindle. And this is the image of cutting feet. And depth of cut. It is the total amount of material removed per pass of a cutting tools. It expressed in mm. It is vary and depending upon the types of tool and work material. The formula is depth of cut is d1 minus d2 by 2, and d1 is diameter of the workpiece surface before machining, and d2 is the diameter of the machine surface. And this is the image of depth of cut. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.